Alright guys, the gate's locked. You know what we're gonna have to do? Here we go. Thank you. Alright guys, so we're at the skate park today. I'm running my Slash as always. The only mods that I've really done to it are I've put, if any of you guys recognize these are actually super old Proline Power Stroke shocks from 2007. Correct me if I'm wrong, I think that's right. I read that on the Trax forum. The other thing I've done is I put the rear springs in the front for a little bit more damping effect for when we're sending it up these walls here. And I'm running a Genzace 2S hard case 5000 milliamp hour battery. Oh crap, you guys. As soon as I turn the camera off, look what happens, I swear. So it looks like I broke my axle stub. This is the brand new one I just put in as well. Oh, that sucks. Yeah, see, look, this one's a lot cleaner than that one. I just put this one in because I broke the universal joint on it. Oh, man. Well, I guess that's the end of my day. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, all that good stuff. This is the first video you've seen by me. Make sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell to get notified of cool videos just like this one. Anyway, have a great day, guys, and I'll see you next time. Yeah.